Hi, I'm Bob Fisher, author Naked Portfolio Manager. Today we're continuing with the white hat. Now, one of the things that's very important when we're getting all the facts on a particular issue is we want to make sure that we crystallize those facts. We want to make sure they're very clear. Now, let me explain something on this. Let's say somebody puts down the fact that the sales are down. Now, that may be a fact. That may not be a fact. Maybe what we need to say is the sales have been down in January, February, and March relative to the sales year over year. Or we may want to say that the sales are down in March relative to the prior year, but they are up from 2 years ago. Just make sure that when you're recording the facts, they are as crystal clear as possible, devoid of opinion. And remember, if you have facts that conflict, don't get concerned about it. Just put down both sets of facts, and that issue can be resolved later if it's necessary. I'm Bob Fisher, author Naked Portfolio Manager. Thanks for watching.